Hello and welcome to the Bike Century. My name's Ben and today I'm going to be showing you around a couple of Lexmotos. We've been waiting for these for what feels like an eternity. At the end of 2024, a new piece of emissions legislation meant that a lot of manufacturers had to completely revise a lot of their bikes, and this is the result of that. So this is the T5. It replaces the outgoing Echo 50, which was our entry-level 50cc scooter moped. Was a really good seller, really great value for money at $14.99, and I'm pleased to say that Lexmoto have maintained that price. It is still $14.99 plus the on the road, so it's a really cheap way of getting on the road at 16. Or if you just want a lightweight 50cc run around for the lanes, this might be for you. Comes with a 1-year warranty, same as the previous Echo. Some nice little cosmetic updates that I'll show you as we go around. It comes in two colours, which you can see here: grey blue, grey red. Fairly standard stuff really. So wheelbase and everything like that looks exactly the same. There's been some revisions to the motor to comply with the Euro 5B legislation. Nothing that you would notice as a customer apart from new exhaust and stuff like that. Front end's totally different. It's almost got like this a prettier looking headlight on the front, which I really like. These little strip LEDs as well. Incorporated indicators, which look really nice. The paint finish is like satin, so it's actually the plastic finish, it's not painted. So from a wear and tear perspective, that's really good. And then obviously the decals are lacquered in over the top. Underneath you've got some colour code on the belly pan. It's a nice flat step through. So loads and loads of room, very low, so easy access if it's your first bike, or if you're like me and you've got relatively short dumpy legs. At the back you can see the motor, nothing really to see there. Slightly different exhaust. It's a different engine, not sure what the difference is in specifications, but obviously designed to meet the new piece of legislation. It's a nice looking bike, really nice comfy seat. As I say, it's got a flat step, so loads of room. Underneath here you've got storage space, same as a previous Echo. I'm not sure if that's any bigger, it looks pretty much the same size. I'd imagine you'd get like a medium sized helmet in there, and the moulding underneath there just allows you to incorporate that as well. Obviously fuel fillers underneath the seat here, and then you do have pillion grab rails, but I don't expect too many people are going to be taking the pillion on these bikes. So yeah, so that's the red option. The blue option is metallic, so if you look at the difference, it's a metallic painted finish versus a satin. I'm not really sure why they did that, but it is what it is. Looks really nice though. I really like the metallic paint. It's a good finish. Up in the cockpit it's pretty much the same. It's all analog, so very little to go wrong. Obviously you've got speed in kilometers and miles per hour. You've got a fuel gauge, which is cool, and then you've just got your warning lights. Switch gear and everything like that is completely standard as you'd expect. It's a nice bit of kit. I mean, you've still got the hanger just under here, so you can hang your jacket, your shopping, that sort of thing. You've got a key lock just here, so the moulding allows you to pop the key into there, and then it just puts like a shield over the lock to stop people from tampering with it. The locking mechanism for the rear seat unit is here as well, so everything works off of one key, nice and straightforward. It's a really nice bit of kit. I have to say, we don't get too many new scooter and moped models coming through. This is the first of quite a few. The Diablo 50s have now been revised and are back in stock as well. Slightly more expensive, slightly sportier looking, but I believe based on the same platform. So yeah, really nice bit of kit. They're back in stock. They're flying out the door at the moment because obviously there's been such a delay in them coming through. So if you're interested and you've got any questions, please feel free to reach out. We offer all the usual dealer facilities like finance, part exchange, delivery, all that sort of stuff. So yeah, reach out, give us a shout, and yeah, look forward to speaking to you soon. Take care.